Hi, I'm Shamla, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, we are going to discuss few topics in software engineering. Topics covered in this video are Introduction and Software Cost Factors. Introduction. Most difficult task in software engineering is to make estimate during planning phase. Preliminary estimate is prepared during planning. An improved estimate is presented at the software requirements review. Final estimate is prepared at the preliminary design view. The second topic is software cost factors. Some major factors affecting cost are as follows. First one is programmability, second one product complexity, third one product size, fourth one available time, fifth one required reliability, and sixth one level of technology. Programmability. The goal was to determine relative influence of batch and time shared access on programmers' productivity. Example, 12 experienced programmers were each given 2 programming problems to solve, some use batch facilities and some using time sharing. Resulting differences in individual performance among the programmers were much greater than could be attributed to the relatively small effect of batch or time shared machine access. On very large projects, the differences in individual programmers' ability will tend to average out. But on projects involving 5 or fewer programmers, individual difference in ability can be significant. Product complexity. There are 3 categories of software products. Application programs, that includes data processing and scientific programs. Utility programs, it include compilers and assemblers. System programs, it include operating system, DBMS, real-time system. Application programs are developed in environment provided by the language compilers such as Fortran and Pascal. Utility programs are written to provide user processing environment. System programs interact directly with the hardware. Brooks states that utility programs are 3 times as difficult to write as application programs. System programs are 3 times as difficult to write as utility programs. Product complexity are 1:3:9 for application, utility and system programs. Boehm uses 3 levels of product complexity equations of total programmer month of effort per month is provided in terms of the number of thousands of delivered source instruction KDSI. Programmer cost for the software project is equal to the effort in programmer's month into cost per programmer month. In this terminology, the 3 levels of product complexity are organic, semi-detached and embedded. Application program per month is equal to 2.4 into KDSI into 1.05. Utility programs per month is equal to 3.2 into KDSI into 1.12. System programs per month is equal to 3.6 into KDSI into 1.20. Example for a development of a 60,000 line application programs, a utility program and system program, the ratio of per month is 1 to 1.7 to 2.8. The development time for a program in application program is equal to 2.5 into per month into 0.38. For utility programs, the development time is equal to 2.5 into PM into 0.35. The system program development time is equal to 2.5 into per month into 0.32. Given the total programmer month for a project and the development time, the average staffing level is obtained by application program 176.6 PM divided by 17.85 MO is equal to 9.9 programmers. For utility programs, 294 PM divided by 18.3 MO is equal to 16 programmers. System program 489.6 PM divided by 18.1 MO is equal to 27 programmers. Failures in estimating the number of source instruction in a software product is to underestimate the amount of housekeeping code required. Housekeeping code. Position of the source code that handles input, output, interactive user communication, error checking and error handling. Third one is product size. A large software product is more expensive to develop than a small one. Boehm equation indicate that the rate of increase in required effort grows with the number of source instruction at an exponential. Using exponents of 0.91 and 1.83 results in estimates of 1.88 and 3.5. More effort for a product that is twice as large and factors of 8.1 and 67.6 for products that are 10 times as large as known product. These estimates differ by factors of 1.86, 3.5 divided by 1.88 for products that are twice as large and 8.3, 76.6 divided by 8.1 for products that are 10 times as large. The effort equation and schedule equation for product size is tabulated in this tabular column. Fourth topic is available time. Total project effort is sensitive to the calendar time available for project completion. Software projects require more total efforts if development time is compressed or expended from the optional time. According to Putnam, project effort is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the development time. That is, the equation E is equal to K divided by TD into 4. This formula predicts zero effort for infinite development time. Putnam also states that the development schedule cannot be compressed below about 86% of the nominal schedule regardless of the number of people or resources utilized. Boehm states that there is a limit beyond which a software project cannot reduce its schedule by buying more personnel and equipment. The fifth topic is required level of reliability. The ability of a program to perform a required function under stated conditions for a stated period of time. Accuracy, robustness, completeness, and consistency. These characteristics can be built into a software product. There is a cost associated with the different cases to ensure high reliability. Product failure may cause slightly inconvenience to the user, while failure of other products may incur high financial loss or risk to human life. The development effort multipliers for software reliability is tabulated in this tabular column. The sixth topic is level of technology. In a software development, required project is reflected by programming language, abstract machine, programming practices, and software tools used. Modern programming languages provides additional features to improve programmer productivity and software reliability. These features include strong type checking, data abstraction, separate computation, and exception handling. Productivity will suffer if programmers must learn a new machine environment as part of the development process. The modern programming practices include the use of systematic analysis and design technique, structured design notation, inspection, structured coding, systematic testing, program development library. Software tools range from elementary tools such as assemblers, compilers, interactive text editors, and DBMS. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.